Looking for a reliable power supply for a small form factor system? Meet the FSP270-60LE PSU, a 270-watt 1U Flex PSU by FSP, designed for ITX computers, 1U rack mounts, shuttle computers, servers, EPOS systems, and NAS devices. With full range 110 to 230 volt input, it works straight out of the box. Anywhere in the world, this PSU is highly versatile, a generic replacement that directly fits dozens of other PSU models from brands like Shuttle, Enhance, Sparkle, and IBM. If your old PSU has failed, there's a good chance this unit is the fix. It includes a 20+ 4-pin ATX connector, 2 Molex connectors, 3 SATA connectors, a Floppy Berg connector, an 8-pin CPU connector, and a 6-pin PCI-E connector. Built with 80+ bronze efficiency and a long-life ball-bearing fan, dependable and ready to install. Get it now from Vanda Trading.